Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to force stop an app on a Samsung phone. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To force stop an app on your device, first open the Settings app and then scroll down and choose Apps from the list. Now find the app on this list that you want to force stop and tap on it. Finally, tap on where it says Force Stop in the bottom right and then OK to confirm it. That's how to force stop an app on a Samsung phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Samsung device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.